Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the image and your text layer into Capcut. Place the image on the main track and add a text element above it. Once done, make sure the project ratio matches your output, because alignment behaves differently across 16:9 versus vertical formats. Next, trim or extend both clips so they overlap for the duration you want the reveal. You're already in motion. Now prepare to mask the text so it sits convincingly behind the picture. Now duplicate the image and move that copy above the text layer. This top copy will act as the occluder. Tap Mask, choose a shape or freeform lasso, and cut out the area where the text should appear behind the image. Make sure to invert the mask if needed so the cutout reveals the text beneath. Once you have the basic whole, feather the mask slightly and nudge its position so the text peeks through naturally. This creates depth and a realistic layering effect. Finish by fine-tuning. Add keyframes to the text or mask if there's movement so the hidden text tracks correctly. Make sure the duplicate image sits above the text and that opacity is 100%, otherwise the text will appear on top. Once satisfied, render a short test clip to verify alignment in motion. If something looks wrong, double-check mask invert, feather amount, and layer order. These 3 fixes resolve most problems quickly, so your text convincingly sits behind the image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.